Okay, there's a little green bug that is circling, following my ceiling fan. Oh, there it goes. And it's been doing this for what, 10 minutes now?
Just about.
And I stood up and it started circling me. It's like it's tethered to the ceiling fan.
Oh, you got stuck in the spider web.
Uh-oh. Think we
Stuck
ought to
in the
rescue
spider
him?
web. Oh no, if I'm that tall. Nope. Not tall.
There.
Stop. Fly away, fly away. Go. Get off me, man. Get off. I saved you from a spider. Now fly away. Fly, come on, fly.
It's like, man, I don't want to get stuck in another spider web.
There you go again.
That is funny.
Gosh.
It just keeps going around and around and around.
Oh my gosh. Never in my life.
I've never seen a bug do that. And even after getting stuck in the spider web.
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised he's lucky I saved his ass. Dumb bug. He says I'm on crack.
Ew.
He's had too many energy drinks.
Too many Red Bulls. Hey, Joe, this bug's you.
Yeah, he drinks a lot of them Red Bulls, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. And it's just the weirdest thing ever.
Oh my gosh. It's making me dizzy. I gotta quit watching. It made my eyes go cross-eyed.
I can still see it going.
You can see it good though?
Yeah, you see every time it goes past their little green blur.
Green blur.
Maybe he thinks he's racing the ceiling fan.
He's winning. Psycho.
Winning.
Which way did he go, Joe?
And no, we are not high.
Straight as an arrow. Oh.
We're not drunk either.
Oh.
It's just late. And this is freaking hilarious.
Oh.